Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying this crazy foamy slime drink. So these are the 3 packets that are going to make the slime drink. This is the kit right here. So I got a little cup that I'm going to make it in. I've also got here some water, a spoon to mix with, as well as some measuring spoons. Okay, so step 1 is to take 50 milliliters of water, and the first packet, so I only have measuring spoons of 15 milliliters and 5 milliliters, so I'm just going to do 3 scoops of the 15. So that's 45 milliliters, and this is 5 milliliters right here. So all I have to do now is pour the first packet into the water, and it's purple. It's kind of cool. It's kind of blue at the same time. And it kind of smells like grape. Now I stir. I'm kind of scared to see what's gonna happen. So far nothing really happened. So in a separate cup I'm supposed to make the second packet. So I'm gonna take 15 milliliters of water and 5 more for the second packet. This is what the second packet looks like, and I'm gonna pour it in there. It is yellow, but I don't really smell anything. And the next step is just to pour the yellow one into the blue cup. So let's see if anything happens, and it's turning pink. And it is super foamy and slimy. And the third packet here is just like some kind of jelly that goes on top. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that step, and let's just focus on this foamy, slimy kind of thing. I'm not really sure. I feel like it kind of smells like grape mostly. But yeah, let's try it. So yeah, I just had a little bit, and it is just grape flavored. The texture really isn't that bad because it kind of melts in your mouth once you drink it. So yeah, it's not too crazy as it looks. And don't worry, this is edible. It's not glue or anything crazy. So yeah, this is supposed to be some kind of like Japanese candy type of thing. So yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching.